Mountains are a testament of time. The Rockies behind me that everybody sees are considered to be young mountains. They're approximately 80 million years old. We are a flash. But given our brevity of time as human beings, there is a truly awesome phenomenon that happens in this burst of time that is our lives. It is possible to be blessed to find someone that makes you laugh and love and cry and trust and believe in yourself. And finding this love makes whatever time we have relevant, and it makes it feel like forever.
This is it. You've thought about it for so long. All the roads you've been on, all the smiles and tears bring you to this moment. The most important people in your life, the ones who have shaped who you are, all brought together to celebrate you.
That's exactly what I wanted.
In all your life, you'll find these meetings are rare, precious, fleeting. There are wedding filmmakers out there who make something special, looking for moments and emotions that come and go like the wind, but which make an imprint on your heart that impact you for a lifetime.
I may not always say it when you want me to, but I love you with all that I have. You're my family, and you're my beautiful bride.
These filmmakers know that the things you didn't plan for and the moments that weren't rehearsed are the good stuff.
Enjoying my life with yours.
During our first year, Stacy and Michael became laundry buddies. Michael would come over to our dorm and pick up Stacy in her big pile of laundry, and they'd go do it. No.
These are the memories you fall in love with, that your heart holds most dear.
You know, life on life's terms. Better prepare for it now, because that's what marriage is about.
That I need windshield wipers and it's dripping off my nose.
This type of filmmaker knows what this day means, not just to you, but to your family.
Melissa wore the veil of her mother's, and the first time I saw that veil was a little over 38 years ago. And I was standing at the front of the church, and they opened the doors, and when I saw Johnny there with that veil and that dress, my heart went to my stomach. And I thought, I'll never see another woman as beautiful in my life. But today, I stand corrected, and she was the most beautiful woman I've ever seen, I must say.
And most importantly, they know what it will mean once the day is through, when the guests have left and your new family begins.
Anyone can love a thing because, but to love something despite, to know the flaws and love them too, that is rare and pure and perfect.
This type of wedding film isn't just what your day looks like, but it captures what it feels like.
This is my friend and my wife for 37 years. And tonight, I just gotta say, we wouldn't have these three beautiful children if it weren't for her. So, thank you.
Your wedding day is far more than the decorations, the celebrations. It's about you and those you love.
Just perfect. It's gonna be absolutely perfect.
I don't know, just a little girl. Grew up way too fast.
These indescribable moments are why, ever since we first started, we decided to create this quality of wedding film. We love genuine stories of people and of love. These moments and memories should endure, should be shared.
You have raised a wonderful, kind, and loving daughter, and I am grateful for everything you have done for us. You have given to me the best gift of all, my wife. I will enjoy unwrapping that present later.
Memories are a funny thing. One day they feel like just yesterday, the next like a different life.
Something this important deserves to be remembered this way. And when it's all through, and when families see what was preserved, they understand why this type of film exists.
It's a coupon that I gave Kevin a long time ago, good for one proclamation of love. Kevin, don't tag me, I love you!
Not because people said you should hire a videographer, but because for this brand of wedding film, it's important that we capture the spirit of your wedding. And in 20 and 30 years, when your family has grown a little and changed a little,
she's gonna make me cry sooner or later. She's my gal. The first day I held her in the palm of my hand. She's been my doodles, and I love her.
You'll have an everlasting reminder of those you love, and those who will always love you. And you'll be able to share those moments.
Despite all of our differences, love is what we all can share. It is the great unifier, the one universal truth, that no matter who we are, where we're from, what we do, or what we believe, love is what we're doing right.